In this video, we can talk about top 5 Airtable alternatives and competitors. Welcome back to our Alternatives Code channel. Are you on the lookout for game-changing solutions beyond Airtable? If so, you're in for a treat. Today, we are diving into a realm of productivity and collaboration. You will be exploring the popular alternatives of Airtable, a dynamic data organization tool. In this video, you will come across the top 5 alternatives of Airtable, which are Smartsheet, Basecamp, Notion, ClickUp, and Teamwork. First alternative on our list is Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a dynamic work management platform tailored for collaborative and automated project execution. It offers features like task scheduling, resource management, project planning, and email management. It bridges the gap between structured data management and project planning. Smartsheet's standout feature is its interactive Gantt chart that will enable you to create and manage timelines. Next up on our list is Basecamp. Basecamp acts as a centralized hub for project communication and simplifies team interactions by providing a comprehensive suite of tools to manage tasks. It comes with excellent features such as assignment management, calendar management, task management, and real-time chat. Basecamp's focus on communication within projects makes it a go-to choice for teams valuing transparent and streamlined interactions. Basecamp's standout feature lies in its emphasis on keeping communication central, ensuring that project updates and tasks remain easily accessible to the entire team. Third one on our list is Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, and knowledge sharing in a single platform. It comes with features like brainstorming, calendar management, budget management, and knowledge management. It's known for its flexibility, enabling users to customize their workspaces to suit their unique needs. The standout feature of Notion is its block-based content creation that allows you to mix and match different types of content, from text and images to tasks and databases. Fourth one on our list is ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one project management and productivity platform that offers a wide array of features designed to streamline workflows and improve team collaboration. A few of its key features such as Gantt chart, native time tracking, and integrations. Its comprehensive feature set accommodates a wide range of teams and industries, making it suitable for both simple task tracking and complex project management. The standout feature of ClickUp is its hierarchy feature, which allows for the creation of multiple layers within tasks, enabling teams to break down complex projects into manageable subtasks. Last but not the least, we have Teamwork. Teamwork is a comprehensive project management solution that emphasizes contextual collaboration and transparent communication among teams. It offers features like notebooks, project owner, Kanban board view, and Gantt chart. Teamwork's focus on providing the right information within the right context ensures that team members can collaborate effectively, avoiding any confusion. One of its standout features is its milestones feature that offers a visual representation of project phases and achievements, helping teams stay aligned on project goals and progress. Compared to Airtable, Smartsheet excels in intricate project management with its robust Gantt chart capabilities, allowing for detailed timeline planning. Basecamp stands out for its laser-focused communication through message boards, fostering collaboration without the clutter of traditional email threads. Notion's flexible block-based content creation sets it apart as a comprehensive workspace for both personal and collaborative tasks. ClickUp's strength lies in its adaptability with various project views, catering to diverse workflows and preferences. And Teamwork's emphasis on contextual collaboration and milestone tracking makes it a strong choice for teams aiming to align project goals. Among the 5 alternatives presented, we would recommend Smartsheet as the top alternative to Airtable. From Smartsheet's precise project management to Basecamp's streamlined collaboration, these options offer diverse solutions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more informative content. As we wrap up our exploration of these dynamic Airtable alternatives, you're equipped with a range of options to elevate your projects. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.